Welcome back to SK Auto Review. Today we are diving into one of the wildest luxury SUVs ever created, the 2026 Lamborghini Urus by Mansory. This is not just a fast SUV anymore, this is a supercar wrapped inside a luxury body kit with extreme customization, aggressive styling, and unbelievable performance that pushes the Urus into an entirely different league. The first thing you notice is the exterior transformation. Mansory does not do subtle, and the 2026 Urus proves it immediately. The entire body is covered with forged carbon fiber. You get a completely redesigned front bumper with massive air intakes, an ultra-sharp splitter, and a vented hood that looks like it belongs on a track car. The LED headlights stay Lamborghini style, but the surrounding carbon trim makes them look even more menacing. The widened fenders are huge, and they house massive 24-inch forged wheels wrapped in ultra-performance tires. From the side, the SUV looks much lower and wider, almost like a supercar crossover rather than a family vehicle. At the rear, you see a gigantic roof spoiler, a new diffuser, and quad-center exhaust pipes stacked in the middle, giving a race car appearance. Everywhere you look, there is exposed carbon fiber, sharp lines, and aerodynamic vents designed not just for looks but also for cooling and stability at high speeds. Now stepping inside, the interior is where Mansory goes completely crazy with customization. The cabin feels more like a private jet than an SUV. Almost every surface is wrapped in premium leather and Alcantara, and buyers can choose any color combination they want. Bright orange, neon green, deep blue, or even gold accents are available depending on customer taste. The seats feature diamond quilting and illuminated Mansory logos stitched into the headrests. Even the steering wheel is redesigned with carbon fiber sections in a flat-bottom race-inspired shape. The dashboard is covered in forged carbon fiber, and the center console gets a custom start-stop button cover and unique control finishes. You also get personalized door sills, custom floor mats, and ambient lighting that glows across the cabin at night. Rear passengers are not forgotten either. The back seats feel like business-class airline seats with extra padding, climate control zones, and luxury armrests. There are also rear entertainment screens and a premium 3D surround sound system that makes the interior incredibly comfortable for long drives. Technology remains cutting edge. The dual touchscreen infotainment system is still present, offering navigation, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and vehicle performance data. The digital driver display shows boost pressure, torque distribution, and drive modes. Lamborghini's Anima driving modes are still available including Strada, Sport, Casa, Terra, Sabia, and Neve, but Mansory tuning makes each mode feel much more aggressive. Now let's talk about the most important part, performance. The standard Lamborghini Urus already has a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 producing around 657 horsepower, but Mansory completely reworks the engine. With upgraded turbochargers, a new exhaust system, EQ remapping, and improved cooling, the 2026 Mansory Urus produces around 900 horsepower and approximately 1,100 Newton-meters of torque. Yes, this is supercar territory. Acceleration is shocking for a vehicle this size. The SUV can go from 0 to 100 km per hour in about 2.7 seconds, which is faster than many Ferraris and Lamborghinis from just a few years ago. The top speed climbs to nearly 330 km per hour, making it one of the fastest SUVs on Earth. The exhaust sound is dramatically louder and deeper, with aggressive pops and crackles during downshifts. When you press the throttle, the SUV launches like a rocket, and the all-wheel drive system keeps it stable even under brutal acceleration. Handling is also improved. Mansory adjusts the suspension setup and recalibrates the adaptive air suspension. The vehicle corners flatter than expected for an SUV, and the massive carbon ceramic brakes provide incredible stopping power. Even at high speeds, the car feels planted thanks to the aerodynamic upgrades and rear diffuser. Of course, all this performance and luxury comes at a serious price. A standard Lamborghini Urus already costs around $240,000, but the 2026 Lamborghini Urus by Mansory starts close to $500,000 and can exceed $700,000 depending on customization. Every build is essentially a one-of-one vehicle because customers can choose unique materials, colors, and trim details. Buyers are usually celebrities, athletes, and collectors who want something no one else owns. Fuel economy is obviously not the priority here. This SUV is built for attention, power, and exclusivity rather than efficiency. However, despite the extreme performance, it still retains practical SUV features including a spacious cargo area, comfortable rear seating, and daily drivability, meaning you can technically drive it every day if you want to. The 2026 Lamborghini Urus by Mansory is not just a modified SUV, it is a statement. It combines hypercar performance, luxury limousine comfort, and show car styling into one outrageous package. Some people may call it too aggressive, but that is exactly the point. This vehicle is designed to stand out everywhere it goes and deliver an unforgettable driving experience. If you love extreme luxury and insane speed in a practical body, this machine sits at the top of the performance SUV world. Thanks for watching SK